not tests. a boundary, and congratulations to ONGC for they needed to chase. They required